Hey guys, today we're comparing two of the most popular ways to cook chicken: grilled chicken and fried chicken. Grilled chicken is cooked over a direct heat source, such as a grill or barbecue. This cooking method requires no added oil or butter, making it a healthier choice than fried chicken. Grilled chicken is also lower in calories and fat, and it retains more of its nutrients during the cooking process. Fried chicken is cooked in hot oil until it is crispy and golden brown. This cooking method adds extra fat and calories to the chicken, and it can also cause the chicken to lose some of its nutrients. Fried chicken is also higher in sodium than grilled chicken. Grilled chicken has a more natural and smoky flavor profile, while fried chicken provides a satisfying crunch and bold seasoning. Both options can be delicious, and it ultimately comes down to individual preference. Grilled chicken can be used in a variety of dishes, such as salads, wraps, sandwiches, and kebabs. It is also a popular choice for main courses. Fried chicken is often served as a main course or appetizer. It is also a popular ingredient in sandwiches and wraps. Grilled chicken is the healthier choice when compared to fried chicken. However, fried chicken can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet if consumed in moderation. Ultimately, the best way to decide which type of chicken to eat is to consider your individual dietary needs and preferences. So, which type of chicken do you prefer? Grilled or fried? Let me know in the comments below.